Well, my dear friend, welcome. Welcome to the online English class. Today I am going to conclude the story that is written by APJ Abdul Kalam. APJ Abdul Kalam was the 11th president of our country, and that piece of writing, My Childhood, is an extract taken from his famous novel Wings of Fire. So let us see and conclude. Now, we have already read that what are the inherited quality. APJ Abdul Kalam inherited honesty and self-discipline from his father. Yesterday we discussed, on Saturday we discussed about it, that he inherited APJ Abdul Kalam. APJ Kalam inherited inherited honesty and self-discipline from his father. It was, you see, inherited quality that passes from one generation to one generation. Every child is gifted and is born with some inherited quality or disquality, some inherited characteristics, some inherited personality trait. So, APJ Abdul Kalam inherited honesty and self-discipline from his father, who was neither much educated and having not much wealth as well. But one thing that he inherited, that was honesty and self-discipline. And from my mother, I inherited faith in God and deep kindness. He inherited the quality of faith in goodness. Goodness, you know, goodness is what? Bhagwan. Faith in God. Faith in Almighty God. Dear friend, it is the faith that the stone becomes the God. So here the faith matters most. I had 3 close friends. We have already discussed about the 3 friends. Now come to the next paragraph number 5. Paragraph number 5. Come to the para 5. para 5. Come on. Everybody take out paragraph number 5. पैराग्राफ नंबर 5 को देखेंगे आप लोग. During the annual Shri Ram Kalyanam, during the, okay, I am looking at, during the para 5, P-A-R-A, para 5, during the annual A-N-N-U-A-L, yes, annual function, annual religious function, Shri Sitaram Kalyanam Ceremony, an annual ceremony. What was the name? Sitaram Kalyanam Ceremony. Here you see. Shri Sitaram Kalyanam. Kalyanam ceremony. Here you see. This is the ceremony. Annual celebration. A ceremony is the function that is annually celebrated. Our family used to arrange boats with a special platform. A boat is prepared with a special platform for what? Carrying the idols of Lord Rama and the temple of the marriage site. Sita Vivah, very common ceremony. The ceremony is celebrated to mark or to commemorate the Sita Ram marriage. So, a barat, a marriage ceremony, somebody became Lord Rama, and Lord Rama is taken by boat to some temple where the Sita gets married. Situated in the middle of the pond called Ram Tirtha. So the boat on which Ram is carried, and the place of marriage is situated in the middle of the pond, which is called Ram Tirtha. Which one near our house? Here you see. Here you see. Here you see what happened. A special platform. A special platform. A special platform for carrying idols of Lord Ram from the temple, from the temple to the marriage site. marriage site. Here you see. A special platform. His family. It was APJ Abdul Kalam's father and his family member prepared a special platform for carrying idols Ram from the temple to the marriage site. And the marriage site was in the middle of that pond. Even from Ramayana, from the life of prophet, you see, even from Ramayana, even from the Ramayana and from the life of the prophet were bedtime stories. You see, bedtime story. It was APJ Abdul Kalam's mother who used to narrate bedtime story. Bedtime story of whom? Lord Rama and Prophet Muhammad. Prophet, here's the life of the Prophet. As they were Muslim, so Prophet Muhammad. So these were the story, bedtime story. You see, what a beautiful culture we got. That the mother is teaching both about the Hinduism, about the Islam, about the Christianity, about the Sikhism. We the Indians are in fact quite fortunate. Dear friend, we are fortunate that we have bedtime stories of multicultural heritage. Because India is a secular and sovereign country. So, I too, we too, you are taught about the Christianity, you are taught about the Christianism, you are taught about the Islam, and you are taught about Hinduism. So this is the beauty of a country like India. So this is what the narrator APJ Abdul Kalam is hitting upon, about the beauty of the Indian culture. So here you see, one day, paragraph number 6, come to the paragraph number 6. Now come to the paragraph number 6. Now, para 6. 6 नंबर का क्या कहता है? One day when I was 5th standard, one day when I means what? I was in 5th standard. Here you see, where the narrator is talking about sharing his experience. See, here, APJ Abdul Kalam in paragraph number 6, sharing his experience when he was in 5th standard, जब वो 5वीं क्लास में था. What happened here, you see? At the Rameshwar Elementary School, a new teacher came to our class. This very paragraph hits upon an incident of 5th standard when APJ Abdul Kalam was in class 5. Class 5 में जब वो थे, what happens? A teacher came to our class. I used to wear a cap, Muslim, a skull cap, round cap. Cap like this what? This is what? A cap like this. That is called a skull cap. This is called a skull cap. The same type of a cap is worn by APJ Abdul Kalam, which marked as a Muslim. And I always sat in the from the next of the Rameshwaram. A Muslim boy sitting next to Brahmin boy Ramadan Shastri, who wore the sacred thread, Janeo. Sacred thread. You know it, what is the sacred thread? The new teacher could not stomach what happened. Here you see what happened. A new teacher, the teacher the new teacher the new teacher could not stomach a Hindu priest, son sitting with here you see. Dear friend, hardly did we know who is Muslim, who is Hindu, who is Christian in our classrooms. In a classroom, we are all friends. And friends, in a friendship, we never see somebody's religion. Friendship is the only religion. And hardly we care about what religion, what caste, what creed, and what society our classmate is reading. That is why it is called class. It is a group of a student, 30 a student, 40 a student, that is called class. Your identity is your class. Class 9C, class 9F, or class 9I. So, you have different friends, and it hardly matters that a Hindu priest's son sitting with a Muslim boy. Friendship, it hardly matters. So this is what here you see, since very long, we have a very rich tradition. Rich tradition of what? Rich tradition of sharing multicultural. That is why India is called a great country. We are called a spiritual group. We have given birth of many religions. And in spite of all, we stand by one flag, that is our tribe. That is the beauty of our country. So here, APJ Abdul Kalam has this highlighted. But here the teacher was new. You see, my dear friend, a teacher should not be like this. What is a teacher? Recently you have celebrated Guru Purnima. Guru plus Purnima, full moon. Guru is compared with full moon. Here you see the comparison. Guru Purnima, why? Here the teacher is compared with full moon. A teacher shines like what? Full moon. Why? Because a teacher knows no discrimination. As a father, we treat all the children equally without giving any second thought. For in class of 40, everybody in this class is very, very close to my heart. Reason is what? Because when a moon shines, why a teacher is compared to moon? Here, we illuminate, we shine like a moon with our knowledge. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Mahesh. So, you see, a teacher is a symbol of what? Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh, all the four gods rest into one teacher. So, here the teacher, he may have some sorts of ignorance. Otherwise, out of 100, 99 point something, it is negligible. Never did I find any teacher in my life who is judging the student on the basis of their religion. So, he could not tolerate, could not stomach. Stomach matlab, could not tolerate, could not tolerate. बर्दाश्त नहीं उसको हुआ. He could not tolerate. What he could not tolerate? That a Hindu priest's son is sitting with a Muslim boy. Then what happened here, you see? In accordance with our social ranking, as the new teacher saw it, I was asked to go and sit on the back bench. What he was asked? He was asked to go and sit at the back bench. I felt very sad. Why he felt very sad? Due to the behavior of his teacher. As a teacher, he should not. Perhaps he may have some wrong conception. He was an educated person. A teacher is an educated person. And an educated person should not have any wrong concept. But here you see. So did the Rabindra Shastri. He looked utterly downcast. Downcast is a sad. Downcast means sad. downcast. That is sad. D-O-W-N, down, C-A-S-T, cast. Sad. As I shifted to my seat in the last row, the image of him weeping when I shifted to last row left the last impression on me. As he went to the last bench, Ramadan Shastri started crying, and that was the last impression on me. Why it was a last impression? Lasting impression? Because you see, as a friend, Ramadan Shastri never in his life till class 5 had made any discrimination. On discrimination at the hand of teacher made him sad and hurt. He feel hearted. He feel hurted. Why? Why he felt hurted? Because of the behavior. Because his friend APJ Abdul Kalam was separated and made sick due to the ignorance of the teachers. So, after school, come to the paragraph number 7. Paragraph number 7. Come to paragraph number 7. Para 7. After school, we went home and told our respective parents. After school, we went home and told our parents. About the incident. In fact, till class 8, you are, till class 7 in fact, you are considered as a child. So you share the things of class with your parents. But my dear friends, gradually as you get grown and maturity slowly crept into your life, we should not share all the things with our parents. Particularly the small incidents, because it is a simple things. A problem of the class should be solved in the class. A problem of the school should be solved in the school itself. If there is some sort of problem, there is a discipline committee. You should inform your class teacher. Or you should raise your hand and ask your teacher, sir, please change your decision. Or if the teacher is adamant, you talk to your class teacher regarding this the problem will be solved. But as it is a matter of class 7, class 5, a child is not that much mature. He does not know about anything that a school has discipline committee, or they don't know that the problem will be easily solved by the class teachers or the school administration. You might have been experienced that many of the problems have been very easily solved. So, it's my request that please solve your problem in your class. Don't spread it out of the classroom. Because your classroom is your dignity, is the place where your sanctity is maintained. So maintain the sanctity of the classroom. Little things may happen. So here you see that how they share the experience. Why? Because they were only reading in class 5. They were not that much mature that the same problem may be shared with the class teacher. It may be easily resolved. Here the role of a parent is played by class teacher. Your class teachers, your subject teachers, they are your friends and parents also. Here they are for your help. So be a friend. If you have any difficulty, if you have any problem regarding your teaching, learning class, first of all, you share it with your class teacher. He will easily notice and your problem will be easily solved. This is the best step. But here, they were in class 5 only, so they share the